Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change video chord rate in CapCut. So you will have to just open the CapCut app on the Android device or iOS. So when it's open the CapCut app, you will see there is the video. So what you will have to gonna do, you will see on the top is the 720 resolution. You will have to just click it, and in the last you will see the chord rate of mbps. So you will low, you can adjust for low, and you can adjust for high. High is for better quality, and the recommend is the medium. That automatically CapCut recommended for this video is for medium chord rate. So from there you can adjust it. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.